welcome back to my channel. So today I just wanted to sit down and do a glam makeup look. I haven't done a glam look, it's been a while since I've done like a full face of makeup. As you can see, I am in my new apartment. I do have a couple things back there, so stay tuned for the apartment tour. It will be coming soon. I'm almost done. I just have a couple more things coming in the mail and then I will be filming that video. It's currently thunderstorming outside. I don't know if you'll be able to hear the thunder or not, but I can't really go anywhere. I don't really have anything to do today, so I'm just gonna do my makeup and that's it. So I am now in Atlanta, Georgia. I am currently a resident of Atlanta, Georgia. And if you have not seen my vlog where I drive across the country from Los Angeles to here, I will put it up here for you. But so far, I'm just absolutely loving it. The weather is pretty intense. I'm not used to the humidity. I'm having to get used to the humidity quite a lot, but I don't mind it actually. Like, I'd prefer it to be humid than to be, you know, 125 degrees like it is in California sometimes, like it is in Arizona. I also love the rain. Like, there's like been thunderstorms on and off for the past like week, and I love the rain. Like, I love rainstorms, so I'm in love with that part so far. One thing that I do have to mention is that my skin does not like this weather. I don't know if you can tell. Well, yeah, you can tell now that I have foundation on, but my skin is so red and it's breaking out. I have zits and it's just not a good situation, but I think it's because my skin's like adjusting to the climate, I guess. At least that's what I think it is. I don't know what kind of look I'm gonna do today. I just want to do something fun. So if any of you live in Atlanta, definitely comment down below and let me know some fun things to do around here, or you know, what's your favorite thing about Atlanta if you've been there before. I'd love to know, because obviously I just moved here and I don't really know what all the city has to offer yet. I have visited here before moving here, so I know like a little bit of what the city has and what you can do. Oh my god, look at my hair. My hair fell. Let's do some concealer. I'm gonna use the MAC Studio Fix 24 Hour Smooth Wear Concealer in the color NW15. And I'm gonna put this under my eyes. That was probably too much, but we're going glam today, people. We're going glam. I do want to do another 4th of July eye look, because the 4th of July is coming up, so maybe I'll do that soon. I can't believe I've already had my YouTube channel for a year. Like, that is so crazy. I mean, granted, I didn't film for 5 months out of the year, but it's so crazy that I started my YouTube channel last summer. And I'm gonna use the Shade and Light palette, Kat Von D. And what brush am I gonna use? Look at this. So I'm gonna use the corner top shade there to set my eyelids. Make sure there are no creases. And then I'm gonna put that all over. And we're using the JH07 brush for this. I am looking so pale. It's because I am pale. I'm kind of just setting my whole face with that powder. So I'm going to do my eyebrows and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I am back now with my eyebrows on. I also zoomed in a little bit more. So I think I'm actually gonna make this video the 4th of July makeup tutorial, just because I'm wearing camo already and I'm feeling very America. So let's do it. So what I'm gonna do is, it's gonna be pretty wearable. I'm just gonna do a red wing, a soft red wing with eyeshadow, and I'm gonna do a star in the inner corner and then blue underneath. At least that's what I'm going for. Who knows what it'll look like? You guys already know, I don't. So let's get started. So for the eyeshadow today, I'm gonna use the James Charles and Morphe, what is this even called? The Unleash Your Inner Artistry palette. Okay. I'm gonna be using this red, and then these blues down here. Probably not the light one, just the dark ones. I don't know what the names are. I threw away that little piece of paper. Brands need to stop putting that little piece of paper in their eyeshadows. It drives me nuts. Just put the names on the palette. It's not that hard. I mean, come on. I don't know if you guys listen to Gabby Hanna or not on YouTube, but she just released her EP called Two-Way Mirror. And I have a song stuck in my head from that EP, Butterflies. I just keep singing it over and over in my head, and I'm like, get it out of my head. Butterflies, butterflies, butterflies will break your heart. But if I knew from the start, why would I? God, it's literally in my head over and over. It's such a good song. So to start off, I'm gonna use that red shade. So I'm just gonna first off start, whoa, that's really pigmented, okay. I forgot how pigmented these were. I'm gonna start stamping. This brush is the Morphe M432. It's just a little flat definer. What I like about this brush is you can literally just push it in and it kind of gives you the outline of where you want the wing to go. Whenever I'm feeling like too lazy and not wanting to do an actual wing, I just do it with eyeshadow and it makes it so much easier. And it takes half the time. Okay, so that is the first wing. I'm gonna go and blend it in a second. I know it's very abrupt and harsh on the end, but I'm gonna smoke it out in a second. So we have our wings on now. I'm just gonna do a little bit of smoking on the top so it's not so harsh and abrupt. So I'm kind of just using that brush and flicking it back and forth to kind of diffuse that edge. So it's not quite so abrupt. So I'm gonna take this tiny accent shadow brush and even smudge it a little bit more. I apologize now if the air conditioning is loud. It's very hot here. So you can kind of see the difference now between the smudged and then the harsh. Are they the same? No. Are they perfect? No. We're just gonna ignore the fact that they're not completely the same, but you guys get the picture. Oh, wrong way. I'm gonna take that same accent brush and then I'm gonna go into, I think I'm gonna go into this one, this like true navy blue, and I'm just gonna run this underneath my eye on the lower lashes. So now I'm gonna use these Stila Magnificent Metals in the color Diamond Dust, and I'm gonna put this very carefully on my inner corner and kind of spread it out a little bit so it kind of looks like fireworks. I'm gonna use a clean brush and kind of move it around to where I want it to go. So as soon as I place it, I'm literally moving it in the shape of a firework. So we're gonna wait for that to dry and I'm gonna add one more layer because then you can really see it. Let's do the star on the inner corner. I don't know how this is gonna go. I've actually only used this twice. One of them was in my candy cane tutorial, which I'll link up here somewhere. And the other time I used it was for Valentine's Day. I'll put a picture here. When I used it, I did like hearts on my freckles. Ooh, maybe I'll do fake freckles. Maybe I'll do that, okay. I think I'm gonna try it. Let's try it. Let's see if I can do it. And I'm gonna make it kind of big because I want you to be able to see it. Now, I did that, so now we just have to fill it in. That was tough. That was tough. All right, let's do the other one. Maybe the other one will turn out better. Now it's gonna be harder because I have to recreate it. Oh, my camera's overheating, hold on. That is with the stars. Clearly this one looks better, but do they look great? Nope. But I think it's cute. I think it does what it was supposed to do. I'm actually gonna add a little bit of the sparkle underneath here. Let me do that real quick. So that's what the eyes look like. I think that's about it for the eyes. I'm going to go, I might make the blue a little bit smokier, but I'm gonna go put some lashes on, charge my camera a little bit because I'm on 20%, and I will be back. Okay, so I am back. Wow, these lashes though. I forgot how beautiful these were. These are the Kim Tai and Cake Face Beauty Lion-Hearted lashes. I mean, my God, they are so long. And this look definitely calls for lashes because it's intense. I'm gonna use the Shade and Light Contour Palette, of course, and I'm going to contour my cheekazoids, my cheeks. I really need to buy like a warm toned bronzer because I don't own one. Do I own one? I don't think I do. Wow, these lashes are heavy. I'm gonna go all around my forehead with that. Since it is the summertime, I'm going to attempt to do faux freckles because let's just take it there. And I've never done faux freckles before, but I've always wanted to. Since we're in the summertime, I'm gonna use Milani Luminoso, which is a pink peach, and this color is so beautiful. It's very pigmented though, so be careful. I'm gonna put that on the apples and kind of work it back. I'm also gonna put some very little on the bridge of my nose so that it makes it look like I just got out of the sunshine. so that I look a little bit sun-kissed. Let's do some faux freckles. I've never done this before, so let's try it. So I'm gonna use my brow pencil for this. This is the Anastasia Brow Wiz in dark brown. I think we're just gonna kind of do this and then pat them in. And I guess the trick is to turn it as you push it into your skin, because then it creates more of a mark that way. They're really cute. I may have gone overboard, but this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take my sponge with nothing on it and just tap over it so that they look like they've been covered with makeup. Just like that. Oh, how cute! I love them. They're so cute. So now let's do highlighter. This Cover FX palette that I got in my BoxyCharm like a couple months ago, there's this color in here called Moonbeam, and it's called a brightener. It's a highlighter. And I got this in my BoxyCharm. I talked about it a couple videos ago. It is so pretty. Look at this palette. And the one that I'm using is this one. So that actually has a little bit of a purple tint to it. So I'm gonna go over it with Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in Moonstone. That's what this one looks like. And I'm just gonna go over that because that one was a little bit too purplish for me. I'm just gonna use this to kind of tone it down a bit. Put some on my nose. Cupid's bow. Okay, I know this next product is controversial, but it's a beautiful ass color and mine didn't have anything wrong with it, so I'm gonna use it. And it's the Jaclyn Hill So Rich lipstick in the color Isla. So I am going to go do my hair really quick and I'll be right back. All right guys, so I guess that is the end of this video. I finished my hair. I have no idea why I decided to do my hair. I have nowhere to be, nowhere to go, but I just felt like doing my hair. So, all right guys, that is it. That wraps up this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I make new videos all the time. Also, let me know in the comments down below what kind of look you would like to see next. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. All of my information will be on the end screen in just a moment, or that way. Thank you again so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, let me try that. How do I do that again on this camera? Ooh, how do I do it? Maybe I'll zoom you guys in a little. Oh, and I know this. What do I do now? So for the shadows today, I'm gonna be using the Jaclyn Hill. That's not Jaclyn Hill. Never mind. Ooh. I forget how it goes now. Ow! I poked myself in the eye. Ugh. Wow, that looks like. I'm gonna take this tiny Eco Tools brush, this accent. Let's ignore that this one looks like a Patrick Star and this one looks like a starfish. That's the same thing. So it looks like, so I can't speak. Okay.